So no, you say proof, I answer go. You say lost, I point here. We keep the map inside our cheer mark. Create,
Hello.
pack the small. Start
And Happy New Year. Welcome to 2026. Hello and welcome. Mein Name ist Viggy und ich mache Live-Videos. Mostly auf Yiddish. If I'm fang to the hunting video, please consider give me a like, give me a subscribe to the neue Jahr. Welcome. Von echten vergessen, als der Market seine Vermacht hat. Kuhne schlägt sich nicht an. But I decided to go live for a paar Minuten. Zu sagen Hallo für die Eulen. Es tun Menschen, die gar noch daran arbeiten haben. Gehörig, so. Music magic. Music manic. Manic? I guess so. Good morning. How you doing? Happy New Year's. New Year, New You, huh? Ich habe gesehen, dass der ist Hand in der Früh. Ich habe ganz nur gerade dafür, noch es geben mal allein. Hold on. Ich will es eben sagen, was ich sage, geht es der ist. Für mein Chaber, Hill. Er geschrieben, every New Year, we make a resolution to change ourselves. This year, let's make a resolution to be ourselves. I think that's very important.
Welcome to my world.
Und steigen wir an auf mit New Yorks Mayor Mandani. Mal sehen, was geht geschehen mit New York. Punchline of the interview: nobody can scam a scammer. Funny, interesting news. Was ich weiß nicht, was ich davon. Just, ich habe gesehen, dass kocht sich der letzte paar Tage. Chaimo hat darauf gelegt, ob einer followed Status. Etwas wegen etwas, ein junger Mann von England, wo sie hergekommen, and he's causing trouble. He's causing trouble. And, als er ein Scammer, man soll watschen, und sie gingen back and forth, und gecallt the cops, wir sind noch gegangen, mit ihm rausgeholfen für Sandieren. So nächten ist Shimon Cohen gegangen live. Weil ich meine, Shimon Cohen ist auch gewesen in London. Ich meine, gewohnt dort oder something. I'm not sure. Etwas ist aber gehört, von uns geht ein bisschen. I must say, der Heverman hat ausgekickt a Trop, wie geht durch a manic episode. I could be totally right. I'm not sure. But hat mir gegeben die Vibes, die ich gehabt mit anderen Menschen, wo sie gehabt manic episodes. Ich habe schon eine kleine Experience mit manic episodes. So. Sie hat gegangen live mit dem Nächten. Was geht ein bisschen? Eine von den Sachen, für wie es hat mir gegeben, das Feeling, als geht durch ein Manic, ist, wenn man geht das durch, ich tue ein Part, ich rief es die Confidence Stage. Wie sie tun mad confidence. Und at first, kiekt es so, ja, wow, kijk wie confident er ist, kijk wat dit zegt. But no, then fangst du an sehen, like, whoa, what's happening? Too much confidence, you know? So nächten hat gehabt mit dem Schmiesdu, meiner live, und gesagt, ja, hat es viele Sachen, Programs, verpeisig, nicht Programs, Hotelprograms. Also ob einer will fuhren, nirgends verpeisig, erledigt dich alles. Und Du, it was too much confidence. Very unstable interview. Everything shakes. Sounds cut. I believe there would be an earthquake in the background. Maybe it would be more clear. Okay. Ja, wij gevonden in de car. This guy hasn't cleared it up, I think. Came out alive and I didn't to clear his name and came off as an absolute scam. So, I'm not sure. Ich weiß nicht, is a scam. Nicht der. Der andere du, der rechte. It was interesting. Sie geschehen verjure das. Verjure ganayas.
I say no to cold when you're here. Room learns warm, doubt turns clear. I say no to cold, say near. You
Vergessen zu sagen, also rein nicht. Der market's gar nicht so vermacht. So ist echt nicht du, wo sie gehen live. But, noch aber gefigert. Like I said before. Ein bisschen in der Früh, ein bisschen Musik. Ich habe gesehen, du Friday Wiesel hat rausgegeben, ein Video. Lass mal sehen.
Did you feel?
Hold on. Friday Wiesel. She got engaged at 17. Oral story. Okay. 3 Schutzerik. Okay.
Like marriage was going to be a release from.
Oh shit. Good morning. Hello and welcome. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2026.
Your struggles at home?
Yes. That's why I was so excited to get married.
Not because of him so much.
No, to be honest, no. When they
Oh, meine jetzt haben wir schon das gesehen.
first read the shidduch, I was like, okay, yes, before I even knew who we were talking about. Like,
Okay, das ist normal. Es kommt von der Sache in meinen Communities, wie der einzigste Weg heraus von daheim ist Chassan oben. Und wo die Guys sagen, nein, für ihn geht kommen etwas Präsident von El Salvador, der nächste. You get what I'm saying?
I was like, okay, yes, I wanted to get out of there.
Yeah.
At the time, I was going through a very rough patch. I had a lot of issues at school because of the situation at home. Like I wasn't doing well academically. I was just depressed. I wasn't eating. I wasn't sleeping. I was not in a good place.
Can you
Imagine going to a doctor and the doctor sagen, you depressed? Ess nicht? How about marriage?
talk about your engagement? Were you excited to get engaged?
I was. Mostly because
Hatten Sie schon das gesehen? Lass mal sehen auf ihr Channel. Ah, it's nicht rausgekommen. Besides that, this is number 2. Lass mal das so sehen.
What was that community like growing up?
Yankee T. Hello and welcome. Good morning. Happy New Year for you as well. What's going on? What's in there?
Society that just
I lived 72 hours in the Hasidic Jews. With Hasidic Jews.
I'm in New York today, and I'm going to be spending the
Toby the Dove, good morning. How you doing? Let's hope for a good start 2026. It's already a good start. We are here. We are in Zemerdu. Wie viele Menschen sind nicht du? Huh? We are here. I think that's a good start. The market sind vermacht. So, sag nicht du, wo sie tun, but I figured I don't want to leave everything and not go live because ich gesucht nächten, so.
next 72 hours with the Hasidic Jews.
Man darf maß besagen für die Gevre, die draußen die Gevre, als ein Hasidic Jew mit der zweiten Hasidic Jew ist nicht dasselbe.
The Hasidic Jews are
I lived almost 23 years. Nice, Yankee. Nice. Wenn dann Geburtstag?
kind of a mystery to me.
We're not Jewish. So, no, thank you. Baby, we want a little snip off the top.
A little snip over
From the
top.
outside, they seem like this ultra-religious secret society that just loves to dance. But what makes them so well
Es sind zwei andere Mine Hasidus, hat zusammengemischt auf einmal.
ultra-religious secret society that just
Wir sind du und wir sind alive, Toby. Definitely. Und sind wir da. Not everybody can say that. By the way, as I habe schon du, and you don't mind hitting the like button, she geht a lange Weg. Das ist schon eine zweite Hasidus.
loves to dance. But what makes them so well connected? What could they teach us about building a community? And why on earth do they wear those big, hairy hats?
Zwei andere Mine Hasidus.
Here on Discover Connection, we love connecting with people that we don't know much about. So Tyler, Harrison, and I flew to New York with one goal: find a Jewish stranger willing to let us cook dinner for them in their home. Little did I know that this mission would turn into one of the most eventful 3 days of my life.
All right, we are back in New York again. Just wandering around. We're in the neighborhood of Crown Heights. Apparently there's a lot of Jewish families here. The Hasidic Jews is like, I don't know, it's just an interesting community to me that I don't know literally anything about. So what better way to get to know them than offering a meal, sharing, breaking bread.
It is very warm today.
But ze ogen de Lubavitcher zijn meer zigewoon zu Fremde. De Lubavitcher zijn meer zigewoon zu... Kim maar aan, the ganze family is different. In Williamsburg is a different environment. Borough Park, different environment. Monroe, different environment. You get what I'm saying?
Or am I just really nervous?
Let me have to ask you a question.
I don't speak English good, a little bit.
Little? Okay.
I'm not I speak good English, yeah.
Okay.
I'm from Israel, not speak good English.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Wow,
Yes.
Canada. You Jewish?
No.
Before Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, Sukkot, after Sukkot, in 19 October, go to Israel.
Okay. What we're doing here in New York is we wanted to explore the Hasidic Jewish community because we don't know anything about it.
You're on the right block.
Yeah. Do you think that families would be interested and open to us coming in and cooking them dinner and
You cooking them dinner, I don't think so.
no?
Do I think it's possible? It's a little hard because like Jews keep kosher. So
Yeah. How are you? What's your name? No. Yeah, no worries. See, the interesting part is this is kind of like a similar, well, from what I've heard, this is a similar community to like the Amish in the sense that they like their lives private. They don't want to be filmed. They don't want like other people to just come into their lives willy-nilly. I don't know, doing these stories, like we don't just deserve to come into any community. We don't deserve to just be in somebody's life. We have to kind of like work our way in there. We have to build trust so that they know that like we're coming in to like genuinely connect, genuinely learn about their life. You have to earn that connection with people, I feel like.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a little bit more trust that we have to build here than I think in most places. So, oh, this is the spot. Dude, we came at the best time ever. This is not what I was expecting to see when we were coming to the Jewish community here.
Yeah, rock band.
After stumbling upon this half rock concert, half art show in the street, a man sitting on a bench nearby took particular interest in what three guys like us were doing there.
I feel like I know him, this dude.
Now, the band was absolutely jamming out during this conversation, so please excuse the bad audio.
When we knock on doors, we find a completely random, spontaneous family, and we offer to cook them dinner in their home.
You want to do my house? I live around the corner.
We could come and cook for you.
Yeah.
Really? Come.
How long are you in town for?
We leave Monday morning.
You want to do tonight?
We could do tonight.
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, so this guy's name is Moshe, and he seemed pretty pumped about the idea. So much so that he immediately started introducing us to his extended family, like his brother, whose name is
Menachem.
Yeah, there we go. Menachem.
The more members of the family we were introduced to, the less clear it became of who all we were cooking dinner for tonight. And asking Moshe directly didn't really give us any answers.
Okay, so we're gonna cook your family dinner tonight.
Talk to my brother. I have to run the damn fair.
Yeah.
Still very confused about who we were cooking for and how many there would be, Menachem swept us away and gave us a tour of the neighborhood.
Oh my dude, it's everywhere. It's
is packed.
Now, without knowing it, we accidentally came to New York during a very special time of the year. Menachem and his nephews explained that this was Sukkot, a holiday where Jewish people from all around the world come together for a full week of prayer, meals, and celebration.
I was expecting just like a neighborhood, not this big festival that was going on or holiday.
The centerpiece of the holiday are these temporary wooden huts called sukkahs, which are put up all over the neighborhood.
Hallo de week we zijn ook dus. Sukkahs. Not bad.
Inside, people share meals and have conversations with friends, neighbors, even strangers who just wander in. Basically, the Discover Connection dream scenario. We were curious what these looked like up close, and as luck would have it, we were about to meet the man behind the largest sukkah in all of Crown Heights.
His name is Misssuite. He pays and does everything.
Wow.
And the group, see these guys here? These guys are all from Israel. They don't have somewhere to stay or eat. So
Wow.
he hosts them.
Really?
He hosts beds, food, and everything for them.
All
he
in his
pays
house?
for everything. Look, everyone's eating. Look at all this food.
Holy
So
moly.
there.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Oh, it's huge.
It's pretty damn big.
Look it out. Come on,
It
look
goes
out.
all the way, and everyone's just eating.
It goes all the way down there.
All the way down. And he feeds people for a full month straight. It's like
For how?
Full month.
So der Lubavitcher haben als a Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur Sikh-Sach in Crown Heights, also wie der Breslover haben in Oman. Jeder eine kommt.
The full month straight.
Yeah.
This guy seemed to be extremely generous, so much so that somehow he agreed to come meet with us.
You brought them here?
Yeah, I don't know.
We literally just met like an hour ago.
Okay, you make friends very easy.
It's okay. That's fine.
It seems like you are a man who makes friends very easy as well. What's this all about? This guy apparently feeds like just thousands the whole month, right? He's just
it's the whole month.
Thousands
It's like
of people are just coming in and out.
It's like 3,000 meals every single day. More than that.
It's 3,000 people per meal.
3,000 people per meal.
This guy Rabashkin took us on a tour of his kitchen and house, where the full scale of this operation really came into focus.
This is your house here, right?
Wait, you don't get to see everything here.
Okay.
Don't rush the man.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah,
So here it's called cockish cake. You guys know what means cockish cake?
No.
Ga ik kijken naar Ring. Die waren ze dus kookschik maar.
Hey, this is my...
He's the chef.
More than a chef. Yeah.
He has a heart. He has a heart. That's the most important thing.
That's
He has a heart.
nice.
Yeah. All chefs are crazy. And we got fresh tomatoes here, very ripe tomatoes here. And whatever we produce, it's not enough.
It's 3,000 people per meal.
I don't know. I don't
No.
count. Counting is very bad luck. Never count.
Okay.
You make money, don't count your
That's
money.
good advice.
You have kids,
No.
don't count your kids.
Don't count your kids.
Yeah, don't count. It's all God. God runs the world. We're all God's children, but we are the chosen ones. Papa!
Get us a flicker on. We're the chosen one. Whoopa. Just a beruhigen.
Let's take a walk.
Dude, this guy is sweet.
We're in a completely different world right now.
Dude,
But still in New York.
But still in New York.
crazy.
I actually kind of forgot that we were in New York.
Yeah.
Can I ask you, why do you turn your own personal home into a place for thousands?
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Married?
No, not yet.
You looking for love?
Yeah.
It's in the movies.
It's in the movies.
Yeah, don't exist.
Doesn't exist.
Love doesn't
Okay.
exist.
You
The
said
love
what-
that we're chasing, we're looking for instant happiness for the moment. That's not love. Love is
Can you move the image on top? Which one? The comments or me? Move me here to the corner. Hold on.
building a
There you
home
go.
with kids. I'm 67. I got 6 sons and 2 girls. I'm married almost 50 years. It's my wife.
wow.
Kids. They're on top over there.
Yeah.
As I grow older, I have a home. The good times that I went to Maui, or I went where I went, okay, it's good, but you went. But that's not the memories that stay with you and keep you going. It's the family. America needs to re-educate itself. The Western culture for that part. Family. And that's what we have is family. What you see here is family.
Yeah.
Go out and get married. You'll fall in love afterwards.
Okay. Wow. This is cool.
Super cool.
Who's the chef in?
Wow, man is übergedreht sein Haus für alles. Phew.
We have finger-licking chicken here.
Den man kennt nur mit, dass er tut.
This is crazy. This is your house.
This is the house. This is the house of God.
This does not look like a house.
And you just set this up temporary.
The whole life is temporary. We're all temporary here.
Yeah.
The world is a merry-go-round. Some people get on, some people get off. We want to stay on and make God proud. It's our Jewish holiday, and we pray for peace for the whole world.
Thank you again.
Yeah, really thank you.
One of the difficult parts about immersing yourself into new cultures is a language barrier. I don't really like learning languages the traditional way. I'm not really great with textbooks and just it means that you're using interactive subkit, the trick is in flashcards. Without breaking, without trial.
Good to see you. Hey. All right, so where are we? What is it?
Wish they could all be so welcoming. Yeah, but it's a special person. Das ist nicht ein Mensch, was ist jeder einer. Meaning like it's not... Man darf sich raussetzen mit jenem fragen, für wie es bekommen, you know? Something happened in his life, he got it from his parents, weißt du, ich mein?
This Empire Kosher, it's a kosher supermarket.
Okay.
We decided we're gonna do fried chicken.
Oh, fried chicken.
So like schnitzel, you know what schnitzel is?
No.
That's the name of it. It's like basically just like
But
chicken.
we're cooking for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Letting the Frank nephews lead the way here, we entered the store and got an education on what it means for food to be kosher.
So basically, you really can't have milk and meat together.
Yeah.
And for the meat, it has to be watched over like a Jewish person and cut in like a Jewish way. Let me show you something cool. So you see this little thing that says OU? So that means that it's certified kosher. So, but everything in this store is certified kosher, so you don't really have to worry about that.
Yeah, and here we don't have to look.
Yeah.
All right, let's do that one. I trust you. This whole kosher thing is really throwing me.
But I feel in the kosher, as I'm doing the kosher, there's so many different angles to kosher. Meiner davon machen die Videos in English. Sie maß besan von der draußen in der Welt.
For a whirl, I'm overthinking it a lot right now.
Yeah. It's really not that deep. It's just food that was left over by a rabbi.
It's not that deep, bro.
With groceries in hand, we finally got word that we would actually be cooking for Menahem's sister's family.
There he is. How are you?
You made it,
Good to see you.
But when we got there, we quickly discovered how little we actually know about even the most basic Hasidic customs.
I'm Devorah. This is my house.
Amazing.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
I just don't shake hands.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Fair enough. What is the what's the reason for that?
So basically, every time a man and woman touch is very important. I touch my husband and my brothers, and that's it.
Yes.
Or my nephews. Before I was married, I didn't touch any men. Like even every time they try to ask, like no, sorry, you just tell them no.
Handshake.
Nothing.
That's good to know for the rest of the time.
Yeah. I could just smile, say hi, leave or whatever. And then, even when we get married, we just touch our husband, and it's special.
Yeah.
It's not every other man.
That's cool. And your name?
Moshe.
Moshe. Nice to meet you.
You can hug him all you want.
Oh, give him a big.
Devorah's family was about to be our crash course in Hasidic life.
And the funny part is, as I kind of going do today house, same mile up the road in Borough Park in Williamsburg, total different.
Starting with their strict dietary laws they follow.
Oh yeah, is there anything that we should be worried about while we're cooking, like for?
No, not really.
No?
A Jew has to turn on the fire.
Okay.
So like
meat
all the meat stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
This is dairy, so you just don't use that.
I'll do potatoes on this side.
Yeah, that's great.
Give 9-inch trays. Oh yeah, make sure there's no blood in the eggs.
So you crack it and then kind of look at it for a second, and then put it into the other half, and then just pour it in.
Okay. So this is all meat utensils here.
Yeah.
And then you have different ones over here that are.
Yeah. So here's the dairy utensils. We have special for that. Okay. And then in here.
We learned that kosher laws forbid mixing meat and dairy. And for families like Devorah's, they took it very seriously.
Would you guys typically like eat dairy in the morning and then meat in the evening?
Yeah.
Or, like,
Do you guys eat meat in the morning?
Yeah, I'll usually
That's
have
so
like,
funny.
eggs
Can
and
steak and eggs in the morning.
Are you serious?
Really?
Yeah, all the time.
Absolutely.
Steak in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Steak in the morning is
And then how long before you can have
A different perspective. Die erst Fleisch in der Früh, wo sich mit Kaffee.
like meat if you have dairy?
Meat to dairy is 6 hours, but let's say if you have like yogurt and then you want to have meat, then it's 1 hour. But some people are like less strict and they'll just walk out their mouth.
Would they be ever like, oh, it's 1 hour, I can do it, or
Yeah,
is it?
for sure.
Yeah?
Literally to the minute. You're like,
Oh, really?
6:59, 1, 2, 3.
That's funny.
With the nephews leading the charge,
Oh.
dinner was coming along nicely.
Flipping it perfect.
You hear that?
No, I think so.
Sound like potatoes.
By the way, guess if this is my hair.
It is.
No, it's a wig.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Wait, that's a wig?
Wow.
Whoa! Oh, I would have never guessed that. That's so cool.
All the women here in this community, if once they're married, they need to wear a wig.
Why is that?
Yeah, what is that about?
Nicht alle, especially in Lubavitch. So du wirst sogar mit der eigenen Hut. Man geht nicht über Git information.
The reason why
Ich meine, ich darf von machen der Videos in English as well. Definitely on our channel. To see from Viggy, mostly of English.
want cover our wig is kind of what I told you before, that your husband is special and he's the only one that should see the wig. Sorry, see your own hair.
Yeah. Do you always keep the same color? Do you like spice it up a little bit? You're like, you know what? I'm gonna be blonde for you.
I have like a friend that has like a pink wig and a brown wig.
Oh, so you can just exchange it.
Yeah, you could
Auch nicht. Not really true. But okay.
do whatever.
Oh, I need to get one of those because I'm starting to bald up here. So I need to,
Yeah, where does Brad buy one? Where do we get one?
With a deeper understanding of this community's cultural rules, we headed downstairs to enjoy our first ever meal in a sukkah.
Okay. Oh, we need a plate.
I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to start doing that.
Oh, okay, let's see it. Let's see it. How many
There failed Sachen in them. Hello, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles.
thumbs up? 1 or 2?
2.
2? How big of a bite did you just take? Good?
It's good.
Hello, ze fehlt noch Sachen. Come on.
Oh, that's really good. Hey, what would you rate it at on a 1 out of 10?
12?
76.
11.6 is what you would rate it at a 10? Okay.
Coming into this community, we had no idea how traditional Jewish families would react to a group of strangers like us, especially as non-Jews. But so far,
But jene community, Lubavitcher community, sind ein Ziegewein, sie different people. In Wilhelmsburg wollten sie nicht so gesitzen beim Tisch und gelacht. Mrs. Meisels wollten nicht aufgehoben mit Scheitel in gewissen Hut.
felt completely normal.
Sie wollten sitzen in der Dining Room und gemurmelt auf dem Phone, also du are go in the kitchen.
Really know much like about the Jewish culture. So from the outside, I was like, it seemed a bit more serious.
We are very serious.
We were thinking when we were coming into this, it was like, oh, they're not going to laugh. They're not going to laugh. They won't think it's funny.
You're laughing more than
you were just making us laugh. We're not even, so I was really surprised. Yeah.
You know what? It's all about the people.
This is a new
That's it.
recipe.
If you're
In Lubavitch, I guess, lot man the women mehr scheinen wie in andere Hasidus.
nice and
Was nicht gesehen, a Belser Frau acten, also.
we will be the same.
Yeah.
It's all about like if you connect and if you vibe. It doesn't matter what culture they're from.
100%.
We had to cut dinner short, not because we wanted to, but because apparently the night was just getting started. Menahem explained to us the concept of what they call sukkah hopping, in which you bounce from sukkah to sukkah, snacking, chatting, and drinking. To us outsiders, it basically sounded like Jewish bar hopping.
Yeah, so basically from 11 o'clock at night is when people get really into it. It's like they basically pregame. It's like a religious pregame. I mean,
He loves the camera, doesn't he?
He loves it. And then 3 to 6 you go dancing in the street.
Okay.
Enough said. We were sold. And we were even able to convince Menachem to join us.
But you are coming.
Oh, this is all garbage.
Yeah, we need you. We twisted his arm.
En dan zo, hoppa.
He's tracking it.
Dude, I love these videos because you literally never know when you're going to be.
The night has just begun.
How you guys is not going interesting?
Oh, it's great.
It's going to be a long one.
That's why we're having one of these.
What do you got?
I got tequila.
Oh, wow. Wait, just in a straw?
Just over from Pennsylvania. This is very necessary.
Out of a straw? Wild.
The night was just
Ich meine, in Lubavitch, and as a Ziegewein, like I said, Toby. So in Lubavitch, they don't look at it as respect or the nicht respect. In the meer, like, Satmar Bells, Puppe, Square, ze haben more for the Kinder. The Kinder don't say einer una couple. But the Lubavitch, I think they're okay. In their aspect.
beginning, but the streets were already extremely lively.
Whoa. Kick on them linebacker.
If you're nice, as simple as basing Crown Heights, I don't know what you're doing with your life.
It's 10:30. It's 10:30.
And we're going to be up until 6 o'clock in the morning.
There's like 8 hours more.
3, 2, 1. Hey! 3, 2, 1. Hey!
And while we were out here thinking sukkah hopping meant drinks and good times,
Guys, we brought some. My bad.
The one they brought us to was a little more serious.
What's your name? Brad. Nice to meet you. Brad. Svi. This is my sukkah. Welcome.
Yeah, nice. Thank you. Oh, my word.
Dat is meer serieus ook die moeder water.
The father has an obligation to the son. The father has to provide.
Dus ook een neusiker picture van de Rebbe. Ze voelt een beetje Noord-Korea's.
Unconditional love has nothing to do with your status, with your behavior, with your anything.
Turns out a religious pregame is a little bit different than the pregames we were used to, and we felt totally out of place.
When a person...
But einer wird sich gedacht, Mausbesan, that you feel out of place, but keiner weiß nicht das an ihm. Just act wie du belongst, and du bist gut.
Luckily, one of the guys there, this guy actually, clearly sensed our confusion and came to fill us in on what was going on.
It's meant to be something that's like extremely very intimate and like a support group. It's like group therapy. It's like 2 nights ago, I was with my friends until we were here until 3 a.m. with actually nothing else. There was no alcohol, nothing. We were just sitting
I was good. 1-1.
All of us had just been through some traumatic things. I recently lost my father, for example, and we were just sharing, going through the other.
You see, Toby, his father didn't make it to 2026.
I lost his father-in-law 2 weeks ago, and it turned into this very, very, very raw, emotionally, there aren't many places where we can do that.
Our new buddy Shimon explained that what we were witnessing was called a Verbringen, basically a gathering where people come together for spiritual teachings and self-reflection. And as we were just getting settled in, Shimon had a different idea.
We're gonna go with him. We're gonna go to one with older guys.
I'm just gonna. I think they will be.
He was headed to a sukkah with a slightly older crowd and invited us to join him.
No, what's so special about this is as we're walking around, I don't feel like people get lost. I feel like I'm a part of a community that welcomes you in and takes care of you. And
I can walk down this street and I can tell you every single person on this block, their name. Wow. I can probably tell you most of them, I know their grandparents. Wow. I can go back generations. We're a little village that got transplanted into the middle of a city. My kid's school is another block over there. He's 7 years old. He walks to school himself.
Wow, that's amazing.
This neighborhood is very different when it comes to that.
Shimon even showed us their fully volunteer-run ambulance system, created to respond to emergencies faster than even the city could.
We put it together as a community. It's self-funded. It's all donated. It's all volunteer-driven. This used to be a very rough neighborhood. Yeah. So before the ambulance comes, you have these guys in their personal car. So if he's driving to the pizza shop, he gets the call and it says, we're going to this and this address. Whoever's the closest one, he goes, okay, I'm there.
Really?
Seconds. It's wild.
Shimon led us to one of his friend's sukkahs, and at first we were a little hesitant, but within seconds we felt right at home.
Ja, Eingochem door Willemontina Kapel.
You have one. Make sure you give it back to me.
Yes, of
My
course.
grandmother gave it to me before she died in the Holocaust.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Wat interessant hat der Lubavitch, aber nicht gegeben friert.
It matches. You know, one of that yams is.
So what is he teaching right now? The general message is that the main idea of Sukkot, so the whole thing here is that we're all in it together. You have a tapestry of different people that normally wouldn't be together. All of a sudden, we're being united. Yeah. And that's the purpose. The idea of Sukkah is that everyone, once you step in, it becomes this sort of uniting thing where we're all being embraced. That's what's happening here. Yeah.
This is an idea that I've been thinking a lot about recently. I find all too often we tend to surround ourselves with people who think like us, share our interests, and are really around the same age. But in doing that, I think we miss a deeper kind of connection. There's so much to learn.
Kijk hoe hebben man, it is suspicious. The mention the left.
But in doing that, I think we miss a deeper kind of connection.
You're like, what
There's
is going
so
on?
much to learn from people outside our usual circles, and that seems to be exactly what this place is built for.
Chaim, as we say. Chaim.
How do you say it again? Like Machaim?
Lechaim.
Machaim.
To life.
To life. Lachaim.
We sat down and got to know Shimon a little bit more. He told us about his family, his love for baking bread, and then proudly played a video on his phone so we could hear the crackle as it came out of the oven.
That's like ASMR. It's like ASMR. You put my wife to sleep.
I mean, just met you, bro. But look, you know, we're pretty open and all, but like that's getting a little too open. I'm not open in that
That's
way.
pretty quick. That's pretty quick.
Anyways, one day gets a message, emergency meeting
Moishi.
in 3 minutes.
So
Happy
I think
New Year,
there's
happy.
a lot of misconceptions about the Hasidic community. A lot of people think like it's like a bunch of Jews in Brooklyn eating bagels. We don't. I mean, we do on occasion.
A bunch of Jews, mass bagels. Don't lie. No lie detected.
But like, it's not. That's not what this is about, right? We're people like going through regular life and dealing with the things that everyone deals with: family, kids, trying to make a living. It's the same everywhere you go. We do things like everybody else.
Moishi, ich habe echt vergessen zu sagen, at the marketing is offen, ich gehe nicht gehen live, but ich habe gesucht, ich gehe gehen live, so bin ich gegangen live. Larry Fish. Hello and welcome. Bis Naidu? In Chabad, they don't put up noise seeker at all. But it's a picture from the Rebbe, huh? Picture from the Rebbe. But what's that liking, Zinish? What's it that?
Else, we have interests. Like you're Canadian, we're hockey, you know.
Yeah.
And I can slip into full hockey lingo, and you know, do the typical, you know, little upper decky for the Ferda and the whole.
You just came from hockey?
Yeah.
Is Ferda always?
Ferda is hockey, bro.
How did I not know?
He's uncultured.
Coming here to Hasidic Brooklyn to learn.
Ja, ik heb die Crown Heights, ze hosten in wegen hockey, huh?
About Ferda. I'm just explaining to you.
The adventure of the night continued as Shimon brought us to his friend's rooftop sukkah.
So we got a professional singer here, and you might give us a little taste.
Yeah, I'm trying to think what we could sing.
He's a professional singer, I guess, in the Bavich.
Our next stop was the home of a man who owns one of the largest collections of Hasidic Jewish text, known as the Tanya.
All this right here, is the Tanya. Each one is printed in a different place in the world. So this
wow.
one, Dijon, France. I don't know where that is. This was printed in Montreal. This is a Tanya in Braille.
Oh.
The idea was to get the Tanya to anybody possibly that can learn something.
This is like so incredible, and it's 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
Drink any tequila tonight?
Not tequila, no.
But to do pictures from the Rebbe, there's a...
Costco, let's go. Costco, baby. By the way, maybe the best. Can you try some?
Best value?
Not to be too Jewish, but like, you know.
Not to be Jewish. Too Jewish.
It's good value.
Later in the night, we saw the real benefit of all ages gathering together in the same place. When a younger guy, someone Shimon had just met, asked him for advice about a hypothetical family split. What he was really asking was, how do you find the good or hold on to faith when something painful happens?
My parents get divorced. Maybe I could see 5 years later, oh yeah, maybe it was a good thing that they did.
That is gone.
But in the moment, when it happened, how are you supposed to see that as good? That's the question.
You look like you take care of your body, yeah? You work out? No, yes?
I do work out, yeah.
Okay.
I know you weren't talking about him.
In the beginning, it sucks. It's not fun. It hurts. It's horrible. And then you get to a point where you actually enjoy the stress of the workout. Like there's that moment where you're in the zone and you're burning and you're going for that one extra rep because you know that you can. Not only do you like the end result, but you actually like the process in and of itself.
Good analogy. This is a good analogy.
You've cracked the code. Is when now going to work out is fun. Even though it hurts, even though it sucks at the moment, and you're like, dude, I gotta go pump today. I'm in. I'm ready. And the problem is when it comes to emotions, most of us, normal humans, don't want to stick our finger back in the light socket because it hurts. That shock is not fun, and we don't have the faith, and we don't have the knowledge and the definitive know that pain is getting me to someplace better, that this experience is all part of a big master plan, and there has to be that repetition.
The picture of the sukkah is not for the sukkah. The picture from the Rebbe is not for the sukkah. It hangs in the house. Ja, aber ich sehe es jetzt in der sukkah, also wie neu sukkah. Ich verstehe, dass du pictures from the Rebbe in the house.
Okay. Watching Shimon counsel these young guys, we saw how there was no such thing as generational divides in sukkahs. It didn't matter how old or young you were. You could come into a sukkah and find guidance. But as much as we wanted to stay and soak in all these lessons ourselves, the sun was coming up and we needed to get to sleep.
7 a.m. Sun's coming up. We're just going to bed. Oh, God.
Today is Shabbat, a weekly Jewish tradition which means starting at sunset tonight to sunset tomorrow, work and technology would be completely forbidden. It's a sacred time set aside each week to rest, reconnect with God, and reconnect with others. And last night at one of the sukkahs we visited, we were invited to celebrate Shabbat with their family. But since work wasn't allowed, it meant that we weren't able to film any of the experience. Which is a shame because we made such an awesome connection with this family that I wish you guys were able to experience. We spent
China kitchen. Hold on. Wait a minute. Kick on the kitchen.
Made such
the mixture between commercial and
an
residential
awesome connection with this family that I wish you guys were able to experience. We spent the whole night with the family and people from their community eating great food, playing board games, and getting to learn more about their world. It was honestly a unique experience that made me realize how much that I let work and technology get in the way of community in my own life. One of the family members, Shmuel, or Sam, informed us about a Jewish street party that was happening until 6 a.m. the next day, and he told us that we had to experience this before we went home. So naturally, we said yes. And the next night, we went back to Sam's house.
Hey, hey!
Hey, hey! Oh, is that Kingston Pizza? They had Kingston Pizza. Wait, one bite review. What are we getting? Hello.
Shine a picture from the Rebbe. Shine a hose.
It's great.
Good to see you.
No.
Oh, baby.
I'm going to my underwear. Everything else is going to be off.
Yeah.
You guys, do you want to go naked for a light here?
Tyler's actually gonna put on more clothes.
Yeah, I'm going like this. Is that cool?
We have to convince these guys to go to KJ and you should show the contrast. The problem is, in Monroe, darf man get the mediator. But sie geht nicht an so, weil man nicht, sie sind nicht gewohnt in der draußen die Welt.
Do whatever you want. Whenever we go to the sauna, we have a tradition to like do some push-ups or something.
Okay.
So I'm going to try to do as many as I can.
All right, let's get in.
Can the camera see my six-pack, or is it the angle's wrong?
No, you're...
the angle is wrong.
Yeah, you're Captain America right now.
All right.
Go.
So generally when you do push-ups before you do anything with your shirt off, you're trying to impress the people you're with. So I'm assuming that all of these guys are trying to attract each other right now.
So this is like peacocks. Peacocks are prepping.
Peacocks prepping for mating season, it sounds like, right?
Yes.
Before the party, we did a quick sauna and cold plunge together to get us energized for the long night ahead, which we could already hear rumbling from a couple blocks away.
All right, sauna session's over right now. We're about to start up the
little bonfire over here.
But you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it with this mic, but they're just going crazy over there right now still.
And they'll be going until 6 o'clock in the morning again, eh?
Yes, they will.
That's crazy. How many people are over there right now, you think?
Probably 3,000.
3,000 people.
Wow, kick on the...
Yeah, this was going to be a crazy
China
end to the
host.
trip.
Sind wir kurz bei der Scheibe. Der Sound haben mich gesucht, die Nummern.
Looking back on this experience, it never ceases to amaze me all the incredible people you meet and experiences you unlock when you simply just get curious and choose to connect with people. Being able to learn from such a strong, tight-knit community up close was a reminder of what genuine connection could maybe look like in our own lives. Get out there, be curious, and go connect.
All right, nicht schlecht. Not bad, I liked it. Gave my like, rendig for likes. If you don't mind, hit the like button. Het gaat een lange, riesige week. Ich meine, also davon haben machen a Playlist, nicht auf a live review, but reviewen the videos auf Englisch. Ich meine, also in 2026 gehe ich das hin. Machen a Playlist, sie können reviewen in sagen meine Opinions auf Englisch. Question is, yeah, we'll see what we'll do. We'll see. Alright, Gevra. Sandy. Lass mal nochmal raushören. Alles geht gewollt schon gehen, but was das reingeschickt in Time, lass mal das geben mal sehen. Lass mal sehen, von wem die redest. Viggy, what's the idea? What ideas, new goals for the new year? Some of the schon reviewed. Ich habe schon reviewed diejenigen. Ich denke nicht, welche Tag exactly, aber ich habe schon reviewed. The goal is 5,000 steps a Tag in 10 push-ups, 10 sit-ups, 10 crunches, 10 lunges. In jeder Chodesh adden 10. So, January 10, February 20, also 10 jeder Chodesh. That is the goal. Und ich wollte sehr stark gewollt kennen, travelen. Machen travel videos. So we'll see. Lass mal raushören, du, ich sehe Long Island Audit, hat rausgelegt a video. The reason ich will watchen Long Island Audit is besides for the excitement, is auch du the part von education. Sich auslehnen, was ist deine rights, was kennst du den, was makes du den, was kennen sie den, wie soll man interact mit Cops, ist sehr ruhig in, yeah. Toby, see you soon. You as well, a healthy and wealthy and geschmacke and amazing year. You need to have a talk with Moshe Stern. Wer Moshe Stern, für Nacht. The problem is, the problem, I would say, is, als ich meine, gehe durch a Manic episode in, will nicht nehmen a Mensch, gehe durch a Manic episode auf a ride. You know what I mean? Solid goal, good luck, yeah. But ich feel different wegen nehmen New Year Resolutions, weil 2025 habe ich mich the New Year Resolution von 2025 ich gewinnt, sie walken jeden Tag 10,000 steps, 5 Mal, and I didn't miss a day. Besides for the day was nicht gut gefühlt, but otherwise didn't miss a day. So I feel like I could take that challenge. Advice for someone who doesn't reach 5K steps, only 4K. 4K, this is not about the amount of steps, by the way. It's the idea I'm a guy to rose walking. It's not the 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. It's the idea I'm a guy to actually walking. You know what I mean? So, zurück zu, von was ich will reviewen Long Island Audit. Besides, was ich gesagt früher, wegen wie soll man interact in certain Sachen. Ich sag mal, wenn man will arbeiten auf sich, kann man nur arbeiten, wenn man ist in jener Moment. Und wenn ein Kapitän stellen oder die sind in the Moment, ist nicht keine arbeiten auf der seine Weise oder whatever the case may be. So du kann man leben vicariously through him. Geht es dadurch, in Plätzen wie die Wolls geschrien oder sich verloren oder du hast gesagt, wir können stoppen das Video und nehmen eine deep breath in arbeiten auf der. Ein Part von deinem Brain inside weiß nicht, ist es dir oder ihm. You get what I'm saying? So, let's get into it.
Was he held accountable? Let's get into it.
Do you work here?
Excuse me?
Do you work here?
Do I work here?
Yeah, you can put the phone down.
Who are you?
I work here. Just curious as to why you're walking around with your camera recording stuff.
And you are? Who are you? You work here in what capacity? I'm just How do I know if you can help me if I don't know who you
Well,
are?
I work for the county. I work here for probation. Just curious as to what you're doing here.
Yeah, can I get your name?
What are you doing here?
I'd just like to know who I'm speaking to.
That's fine. We'll call the police.
Why would you?
Zes de mensch, der Rege gaat, we'll call the police, we'll call the saviors. This is on...
Call the police.
But you're not answering my questions, and I don't know what your business is here, so we'll figure that out.
I mean, you could have just identified yourself and been courteous and
Give you a
I
ruhig
told you
is.
who I was and what exactly I was doing here. No de-escalation.
You got arrested? Oh, vei. In my stomach got a manic episode. It felt very much like he went through a manic episode. So.
Who are you, sir?
I'm from the probation department.
Oh, from probation department. And your name, sir?
Tom.
Tom?
Yes.
My name is Sean. I'm okay. I'm an independent journalist. I'm just taking some pictures and video of the probation officer here.
Sounds good, man.
All right. Cool. Thanks, Tom.
You need anything else?
No, I'm okay. Thanks, Tom. Appreciate it.
We zijn wie smooth gewin. Ik zoek Tam, ik zoek Sean. No major information gegeben, but geeased as it's a give and take. Take and give.
So that's a good way.
Exactly.
It's a contrast exactly how the unidentified probation officer came up to me and how one that wants to identify himself did. So these DUI classrooms open.
Come with me. Now, come, please.
Excuse me?
Esther. You've shown this twice already? In the getrouwe Schwester all the way... Oh, man. Hello, Esther. How you doing? In the getrouwe Schwester. You have shown this? He just uploaded it, so...
Who are you?
Come with me.
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
Security for the building.
He doesn't more and more.
And your name?
Exactly, alles geht. De meer dit is beter relaxed. En ins kan we weer relaxed samen met hem.
Frank?
So but what are you doing here, Frank? What are you telling me
You
to...
need to leave the building.
Why are you coming up to me like this, Frank?
I'm asking you to leave, please. Or I'll call the cops. You got a choice.
You call whoever you need to call, Frank. Are you security or law enforcement?
Security.
Okay, perfect.
For the building. You
Okay.
gotta leave it?
Perfect.
Okay, I'll call the cops.
Call whoever you need to call.
Het zijn like 12 minutes, Rick, but I can sense it's an auto. Could be it's an old one. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a naya. Same with the hartslag. How you doing, Esther? Welcome to the new year. Oh, that guy came on gangan.
He's not leaving.
Call the police. That's okay.
Call the police. That's it.
Can I get your name, sir?
Allemaal maar hem go. Call the police. Jeder is wichtig.
Can I get your name, please?
Give me yours.
There's a reason why you have those ID badges, right? Very rude.
Montgomery County Annex, South 102 York Road. It's in Upper Moreland. 102.
Brooklyn.
It's next to Burger King.
Happy New Year.
Gentleman's walking
Hello and
around,
welcome.
recording stuff on his phone. Inside. I can come outside if they need to meet me. He's on the second floor. I'll say Hispanic. He has black pants and a gray shirt. Sweatshirt. Just, yeah, well, he's fulfilling me right now, calling you. Which I'm going to break his phone.
You're not going to do any of that.
Okay, just imagine I get threatened. I got you berechten zijn phone.
Not at all.
Frank Gallagher. I'll give you, I don't really know the county's number by heart. I'm not giving my number out with the guy beside me.
Oh, de zweite is ook het met de phone. Hello, ik meine, die maakt een phone call. Ga aan, hoe komt daar raus? We call 911. By the way, why is it dangerous is they call 911, like 2-3 Menschen. They coming in hot. I'm doing well, Happy New Year. And the chat. Nice, Esther. I'm glad to hear you're doing well. That is swell.
Yes. Yes. All right, thank you. I'm going down to meet them. All right, I'll bring them right up.
Why would you break my phone, Frank? Why would you break my phone? Would your security company approve of that? Interesting.
Ich meine, da werden jetzt in the steps all the time. Wollte gewinn besser.
Sure.
You good, man?
I'm good. Excuse me. Thanks.
By the way, alles geht's. Die likest daarop een mens auf dem Floor oder die nicht Jiu-Jitsu as a weapon, kann man dich chargen. So keinmal nicht, ever, wenn du bist in einer Situation, du bist ein getrainter Fighter oder anything, du trainst anything. Because the Regel, die suchst, dass du trainst dich, wäre dann Hand und Fies a weapon. Just FYI.
All right, so we're done here on the second floor. All right, so we came back to the first floor. We're going to check out the rest of the building in a little bit. There's only 2 more floors. We're on the second.
So keinmal identify nicht, dass du bist ein gelernter Jiu-Jitsu oder anything. Just self-defense.
There's a
all
third
the time.
and a fourth floor here in the county building. But we're going to check those out in a little bit. We want to make sure that we're on the first floor. Since the law enforcement officers have been called by Security Officer Frank over here, we want to make sure that Frank doesn't lie to them or say anything, twist anything that would cause us to lose our freedom. So the police officers have arrived, 2 cars. So let's go outside and see what they're going to...
He definitely will get a VIP takedown, but don't identify as one. Meaning, like, don't say that du bist ein gelernter Mensch ever. I'm just saying.
talk about.
Vágta zo met de vinger, Kelly, like, zeg de mens, doe met dat gun?
You gonna point at me, Frank? How you doing, sir? How are you? Can I get your name, badge number, please?
Officer Davido, number 51.
Thank you, Davido. And your name and badge number?
Schwartz, 75. Badge number 75.
Nice. Schwartz, Davido. Nothing much. I'm just taking a look around the government building here. Just taking some pictures and video. Exercising my First Amendment right. The publicly accessible areas.
Als we zetten doen, Val Frank is zo hot and ready, you know. Even tegen zich to the cops. Sag meer, te liken Frank in a position wie, ik heb video, yeah, it's a public building.
Frank threatened to break my phone.
What brings you here today?
Just checking on my local government here.
Won't they say the BJJ move? No, wie sollen ze zijn? You get what I'm saying? Bist gewesen lucky. Verstehst?
That's all. Okay. Government transparency and accountability. I'm working on a story.
My resolution every day is just not to hate myself for my disability. I'm sorry, Esther. We are here. We are here for you. We will help you as much as we can.
My first name is Sean.
Sean?
Yes.
What's the story for?
Oh, I can't divulge the exact details because it might ruin my story.
Okay.
And compromise my story that I'm working on here. But I can say that my name is Sean. I'm an independent journalist, and I'm working on a story here for the county of Montgomery.
Okay. Is there a specific, you said independent, but is there like a specific?
Yeah, independent meaning that I just work for myself.
But then you sell that information?
Oh, I post it. I post it myself.
Where do you post it to?
Various social media accounts.
Okay.
Die Caps, das normal sucht das nicht für die Caps, but du overshared It's a checkmate move, you know. I get off a piece to happen the andere piece.
That's correct.
All right, can you hang out here for a minute?
I'd prefer to go inside. I like government transparency and accountability. I'd prefer to go inside.
Okay, well, the thing is we have to determine if they have a policy, if you can film inside of the
We can do that together. Let's go. I'm not a threat to anything. I'm not going to disturb any business. Okay.
Do you have any ID on you, sir?
ID?
Hold on one second. Just want to get inside.
you have any ID on you?
I do not. I don't give law enforcement identification unless I'm suspected of committing a crime.
Well, we don't know if you're
Well, weißt du, du machst ein Crime? Well, bekommst du nicht die ID?
committing a crime yet, but
What crime would that be? That's the point.
that's what I'm asking. them.
Exactly. And that's why I won't give an ID, because I haven't committed any crimes here today. That's all.
Is in the smirk of the cop? Esther, I saw a video, someone talking about his New Year's resolution as he's gonna walk 30 minutes before in the morning, and a couple of things he said. And one of the things he said, that he's gonna be nicer to himself, and he's gonna write down 5 things in the morning that he likes about himself. I'm just thinking about that. So maybe in the morning you write down 5 things you do like about yourself, and that counteracts the negative. Well, I'm on the same boat, Esther. I'm on the same boat. And I work hard on myself, not to those little voices. Live, like those small little voices, be like, "Oh, I will be, Bob, and sometimes you need to knock it on the head, and sometimes you need to. Sometimes it gets the better of me. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Because the thing, we're only humans.
There's nothing legal about taking pictures and video inside of a government
No,
building.
but it's not normal
Oh, normal. And the Wambulance and the normal police.
for them to be just sort of here on their normal day
Så vakte han det zweite. Lass mal sehen, wie zieh das hot-headed sind nicht.
and then have someone walk in with a camera and
Hat stripes.
filming as they're walking around.
Als rangekommen nach pur 911 calls.
I could understand that. How you doing, Sarge?
You could have an independent journalist filming inside of the government building. He's not going to divulge his name. Crime.
I said I told you my name was Sean. I said I'm not going to give you my ID unless I've committed a crime.
Right.
That's
Okay.
correct.
So his name was Sean.
Were you the caller?
Yeah.
Okay. It's public space.
Ooh.
It's public space. He's allowed
Oh, I like that, Sergeant.
beer.
Well, technically not recording, no.
Well, why? Why can't you record?
I don't know. That's the courthouse rules. I don't.
Yeah, there's no law
There's no law. I like that, Sergeant.
I'm aware of that he can't. So
He was on second floor where probation is, and
Okay.
they don't want him up there.
okay. Did we make contact with anybody upstairs?
Yeah, we just walked in here to determine if they had a pulse.
I never went anywhere in probation. Just to be clear, I never went.
we have to talk to them,
I get
see what they
it.
say.
I get it. But I'm saying I never went any restricted areas in probation at all.
I'm probably couldn't access them anyway.
Exactly. There's key cards. Exactly.
We'll talk to them. We'll see what they say.
Oh, I like the Sergeant. I like it. How to get.
Exactly. So I will just say, Sarge, that, as you just stated, there is no crime against taking pictures and video. I'm holding my government accountable. That's all I'm here to do today. The security guard, what he did, threaten to break my phone. So I just want him to understand that is against the law. You cannot threaten to break people's phones, property, and do things like that. That's escalating situation.
The cop tracht jetzt, how is he going to handle the situation? Weil will nicht arresten the security guard. So this is what the cop tracht, the Sarge tracht jetzt. How could I lower this situation?
You're in public, sir.
Because the cop had right away gewusst, it's a public space, kennst du, wo du willst. Like, what are you hacking a chainik for?
One, you came up to the camera.
You're employed in public space. He can record you just like he can record me. Yeah, he's allowed to. He can come stand here and do that.
Yeah, but I didn't do that. I didn't come up to your desk and just record you awkwardly. I'm just touring the building. You came up to me, said, "Turn off your phone now. I'm gonna break it." There's no need for any of that. That's how you escalate a situation. We should come together, not, shouldn't be this way about aggressive calling the law enforcement officers on me, not breaking any laws.
Well, we're not being aggressive with you.
No, I'm not saying you are. I'm not saying you are at all. No, I'm not saying you are at all, officer. I'm not at all. So we have the community connections.
Galib, geht da fuhr weg von den Cops. Like, mag endigt, stut sie warten dort, awkward, geht da fuhr weg. In summer do this. Like, I didn't see was I haben dort.
Office over here.
Yeah, office over here, office over there.
I know there was something about, I don't know if it was a couple of years ago, about filming in a court chamber, or like this is considered a courthouse
That's what I feel you,
annex.
man.
Annex.
I feel
There
you.
used to be a courtroom next door, and they did have a policy that they didn't want anybody filming in.
Filming in the courtroom.
Like when we had the body cams, we were, there was question whether we had to take them off so that we wouldn't even have
In the
ability
courtroom
to
you're
film.
talking about.
I think just even stepping in. I'm not sure.
Okay.
That's why I wanted to see if it was.
So this is the annex of the courtroom. I haven't seen any courtroom since I've been here.
No,
There's
it's gone now.
Oh, well, gotcha. Okay.
It's not over there anymore. It's the next door over.
Okay.
But it's not there anymore.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But it was posted there. And so this is the annex side of it that is the community connections with the probation office upstairs, which is where you were. So
Yeah. Is there anything on the third or fourth? I didn't make it to the third or fourth floor.
Never been up so
Gotcha.
high.
So again, like I said, I just was coming in here to see if they did have anything.
What's it done?
posted. It doesn't look like they do.
No, they don't have anything posted. And plus, taking pictures, there's nothing illegal about
Shiragi's turn. Hello and welcome.
it. Even if
Those cops need to go back and get Olive. Yeah, but these are actually very nice cops. Meaning they zijn niet gewoon aggressive. Ze zijn gewoon okay. The sergeant again fine.
there was a sign, there's nothing illegal about taking pictures.
Well, sometimes
Deze, zij trainen de ganze Zeit well, days, in the ends, in treffen, in machen. Stu, sei still. That's it. And make recording. Zoop it. Fertig. Like, why are you trying to find something in between the papers? Ich watch andere auditors, wo sie eine Sach wilder, like right away, like bouncing off attitude. Nicht zu brechen the law, just like I wollte for the cop, sei still. Like, shut up. Darf ich dann direction? But I be funny to say the cop, darf I be explaining.
If anything, it's the exact opposite. It's a constitution protected activity to hold your government, to record government officials in the
You
course
got the
of their
verbal
duties.
BJJ,
sure, but
exactly.
there can still be policies that are brought down.
There's water, retter, in the retter.
Well, of course.
I'm sure that the security officer is concerned. He's trying to enforce the rules of the building.
The policy.
So
The policy.
the only issue could be if they have the rule of the building, then they may have the ability to ask you to leave. That would be a trespass issue, in which case you would have to exit. And that's
Okay, well, we don't need to talk about hypotheticals.
we don't. That's what I'm saying. Hopefully we're not there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Hopefully we could be done and
Exactly. Everybody could just go on with their day. I hate to waste your guys' time,
That
so
sounds
I'm
like
so
what it's
silly.
gonna be, but,
Yeah.
we just have to check with them.
Sure, yeah, no, I understand. I get it. I get it.
YouTube stuff, or is it?
Yeah,
Viggy, would you become an auditor? The problem is as du hast sehr das backlash. The cops sind auch a gang, right? In ein nimmt sich von der andere in to do corruption. So I don't know if I would become one. Definitely, if yes, definitely bin ich geworden Sachklieger bei watchen seine Videos. So, but mit darf watchen von retaliation, mit darf Geld. It's not a geringe Sache.
Everything. Every social media. Yeah, that's correct. Everything. Mm-hmm.
How long you been doing that?
Couple years now.
Yeah?
Couple years now. Yeah.
You got a good following out of that?
Yeah. There's a lot of people that really appreciate holding government accountable.
I agree 100%.
And there's a lot. There was I just saw a video. I get a lot of body camera footage. I just saw body camera footage of an officer speaking to a complainant, and he was actually sergeant. I don't want to tell you in a second.
Yeah, I'll go.
Just want to make sure.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Want to brief you or? Yeah. All right, so I talked to them. You're all good. You're just waiting.
Siehst? Geht jetzt maßbar sein, wie mag ja weg, wie tun nicht. Die anderen Auditors wollten gegangen gucken auf ihn. Ich darf gut nicht hören.
Area upstairs in adult probation, you're not allowed to film up there due to confidentiality of.
Yeah, I'm just in the publicly accessible
No,
area.
I'm just letting you know. And the bathrooms.
Yeah.
Other than that,
And the bathrooms.
Sure.
you're allowed to film in there.
Okay, great.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm just in the publicly accessible areas. That's all I'm in.
Yeah.
Olivier sucht das die ganze Zeit. I've been only in the public accessible areas. Only.
No
Just
problem.
not the waiting room with the.
Yeah, I already got everything in there that I needed anyway.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, officer.
Yeah.
Are you wrapping it up, or are you?
Oh no, I gotta go check out the other floors. I only came back down here because
wollte mit Stammer schon weggegangen, but nein. Hast du ihm gefragt? Natach.
He said that he was going to call law enforcement, so I like to make sure that I'm here, so he's not saying anything that's not true. And my camera's here. I understand you guys are recording as well, but I know where my footage goes, and I know you know what I mean? Just for accountability, that's all. Transparency. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay. All right, Chris is brother. Be safe.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Yeah.
Take it easy. So you're good.
Okay.
Like
cool.
I said, no restricted areas.
Yeah, perfect.
The public spaces. Are you almost finished? I'm asking that just because I'm trying to get a time frame.
Oh yeah, sure. I just have to go check out the other the floors and see what's on those. I only made it to the second.
Excuse me.
Yeah, sure.
What is on 3 and 4?
The health department. And there is a waiting room up there.
Okay.
It's open.
Yep.
And on third floor is it's adult probation or juvenile probation on the third floor. And
is there a general waiting room for that as well? It's an entry to a waiting room and then restricted access. Be careful after that.
Oh, sure. That's on my.
Nog eenmaal. Kap darf nog eenmaal bestaan. As the banana. As the yellow snow.
Intention at all.
If you do go up to the third floor, which looks like juvenile probation office.
Yeah, that's not my intention at all.
Filming juvenile.
I probably just because I can do certain things doesn't mean I'm going to. And
No, I'm just being sensitive about it.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm gonna hang out front for a little while.
Sure, yeah.
Anyway.
No problem.
So, again, public space. You're allowed to be there. Go ahead. Be safe.
Yep. Thanks, Sarge. You too. You guys be safe out
I'll
there
get
as
the
well.
sergeant.
Okay? Thank you. Yep, take care. All right, guys. So we've seen everything that we can see in this building. I'm not really interested in going up to the juvenile probation floor. We have proven our point to the security officer over here.
Yeah, second floor.
Second floor. Thank you.
We zijn wie schijn het jenem niet herangehabt in de video. I feel I make, but het jenem ausgekrost.
Frank, do you work for the county?
Yes, I do.
You work for the county as security?
Yes.
Okay. And your supervisor's name?
I don't know.
You don't know your supervisor's name? Okay. I'll figure it out, Frank. All right, fellow patriots. So I wanted to highlight this audit on this week's Throwback Thursday because I was contacted by a resident of Montgomery County, and they let me know that despite exposing the security officer, Frank, to the world and filing a formal complaint with his supervisor, he still, unfortunately, has his job contracting for the county. I don't get discouraged, though, because I know that he will forever be known for being a violent, rude security guard who got educated and exposed.
Yes.
So please hit the like button and share this video anywhere you can on social media so as many people as possible can see it and Frank can get some of the accountability he deserves. Let me know your thoughts on this one in the comment section below. As always, stay safe. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Long Island Audit. Peace.
Stark aan Noah van hem. Stark aan Noah. In zijn leven met door hem, vicariously through him. En zo denkt men zich gewoon, wie ze met afdelen damit, we kunnen zeggen maar zijn, wie mensen komen erover met attitude. En wie lang we berechten is de law, you guys are all good, Alright, gevre. Zie je met het zaad. Met af en toe gezegenen. En met af en toe goodbye. Zie je me niet no matter how many times I try. We gaan maar schrijven aan, dus we gaan een lange tijd, een korte tijd, de ganze tijd. Voor de devs hebben we gewoon gezien van andere tab en gemaakt met YouTube en het tab, waarom ik mijn hier. We gaan maar schrijven voor alle likers, shares, comments, subscribers, and especially members. Varen do's aan. I really do appreciate it. Als ik dat dan doe. Housekeeping. Ik wil zeggen, als van hand on, the live is going to start 10 nog 9. 10 past 9 in the morning. It's pushed myself from 8:45 to 9:10 in the morning. Hatte the market nicht offen was is New Year's. So ich habe gefigured, als ich ein bisschen gesucht, ich gehe live, weil ich gehe live. To the neue Jahr, hopefully, there's a big chance, als ich will machen, just nicht auf live, but video reviews of English, van de droosten die geweld. Geleven aan nog een playlist of the channel. wie ich reviewen Sachen auf Englisch. That is one of the goals. All right. It's a Thursday, so sind ich du kann live hand Nacht. Morgen live 10 noch 9. Like I said. Freitag used to be members only, but the members haben gewotet als man soll jedem includen. Freitag is meer a vibe day. Man bringt daran the weekend, man bringt daran Shabbos, whatever floats the boat. And we'll see you all then. All right, Chevra. Thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate for the opportunity. Happy 2026. Welcome to the new year. And yeah. Thank you. We'll see you all tomorrow. Peace and love, Aki. See you all next time. Until next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.